Guys, my name is Kip Billingsley. I'm back again with another video. It's Wednesday, guys. I have my LG Stylo 4 here. Picked this up today from Metro PCS. Like I said I would. I'm just gonna jump into the box because look, guys, here's the specs, guys. We all know what it is. It says phone features 4G. It's 4G LTE enabled. Android. It has a 6.2-inch screen, FHD plus full version, 18:9 display, 13 megapixel PDAF rear camera with Q lens, 5 megapixel wide angle front facing camera, 32 gigabytes of storage. The ROM is 2 gigabytes of RAM. 1.8 gigahertz octa-core processor. What comes in the box: the LG Stylo 4 phone, stylus, the SIM card, the charger with the USB data cable, and quick start guide, guys. This is what the box looks like. You already know, a lot of people have been showing off the Metro PCS LG Stylo 4. It says on the T-Mobile network. This is my first time, guys, with Metro PCS, so I'll be testing them out, letting you know how I feel about the company. So as you can see, it has the beautiful phone on the front. So let's get this open. This is not really an unboxing, guys, because I've already set the phone up. I don't have the SIMs in there right now, but I already have the phone set up. Well, not with all my information on it, but you know, I went past all the Google steps and stuff like that. So it's basically already set up. I just wanted to make it like it's an unboxing for you guys, but not for me. So let's get started. Open the box up here. You're greeted with the nice, beautiful black phone. Take that out. I'm going to put that to the side for now. Pull the little tab up, guys. This way. Get to the rest of the goodies. This is what it comes with. This is the SIM card, guys. Like I said, it's already out. I got it over here, so I'll insert that later, but this is what the Metro PCS SIM card looks like. You get the SIM ejection tool. Have a lot of those, so I'll just save this. Some more information. You get the instruction, but who needs them? Phones are easy for me to figure out. Put that to the side. You get the LG charging adapter, and you also get the USB cable, Type C, fast charging cable, guys. As you can see, Type C, which is good. We like Type C. Put that aside, guys. Let's take a look at the phone. This is not a review. This is just quick unboxing. Show off the phone. Then I'll come back tomorrow with a, well, probably not even tomorrow. Give me a couple of days to play with the phone, guys, and then I'll come back with a review. But this is what the device looks like, guys. It's real nice. I like it. I already took the plastic off the top because, like I said, this was not an unboxing for real. I've already been in the box. On the back, you got the back. I'm going to leave this plastic on until I get my case tomorrow, because this, as I was hearing from other people's videos, that this phone tends to scratch easily on the back. So I'm going to leave that on there until I get the case tomorrow, and that will come off. But you got that 13 megapixel camera, LED, you got the LED flash, you got your fingerprint sensor, give you a walk around the phone. At the top here, guys, you have, it's not focusing, but you have a microphone, and then you see the antenna bands, which really looks nice. Reminds me of an iPhone. On the side, on that side, you get the volume up and down keys. Then you get the SIMs tray, and it doubles as an SD card slot, which is great. On this side, you just get the power button. On the bottom here, guys, this is where you get all your little deals. You get that stylus, the stylus Almost got to the S Pen, but you get the stylus. I'll test that out, guys, and I'll probably do LG Stylo 4 versus Galaxy Note 8, since they trying to say this is like an S Pen, but it's really not. But I'm gonna do that review. So I got both of them. You got your stylus pen, that looks nice. Put that back in there. You get your microphone down there. You get that USB Type-C charging plug. You get another little microphone there. You get your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, which is awesome, guys. I'm gonna cut the phone on for you real quick, just let you see what it's looking like. It says LG Stylo 4 powered by Android, guys. It's Qualcomm Snapdragon. You see the Metro PCS wireless greeting on the screen, guys. And you are greeted with the lock screen. Do my password real quick, guys. But like I said, this is not going to be a review of the device, guys. I just wanted to get on here, let you guys know that yes, I did pick up the LG Stylo 4 on Metro PCS today. I just paid $60 basically, and I walked out with a free LG Stylo phone, because if you ported in your number, if you weren't on T-Mobile and you ported in a number, you get the phone for free. You just pay the first month bill, which was, you had to do the $50 plan, then you pay $10 to activate the phone. You get yourself a nice LG Stylo 4, guys. But I'll be back with another video once I, play with the phone a little bit more. But I just wanted to get on here, guys, let you see that I did pick up the device like I said I would. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.